Wondering what a session with the PandoraStar and infrared cocoon looks like? It's simple, cozy, and safe. You'll lay down into the cocoon, close your eyes, and be cocooned in deep healing warmth. The PandoraStar, the light pulses gently, guiding your brain into a deep relaxation and healing state. The infrared cocoon works through your body. It'll be soothing your muscles, reducing inflammation, and calming your nervous system. Most people say it feels like floating. Some say they haven't been in a deep state ever or in years, and it helps them get there. Others say it's the first time they've ever truly felt peace. Tag a veteran, friend, or family member who could use this in their life. I use it every morning. Comment below if you have any questions, and remember, I do travel out of the darkness into the light. Love surrounds you.